In today's video, I'm going to teach you about whether it's safe to buy a Genshin Impact account on eBay, and I'll share my review with you. Let's dive right in and explore the realities of purchasing a game account from this platform. First off, it's important to understand that buying a Genshin Impact account on eBay is not considered safe. Although you may find numerous listings offering these accounts, the risks associated with such transactions far outweigh any potential benefits. Now, why is that? Well, purchasing and selling accounts is a direct violation of Genshin Impact's terms of service. By engaging in this activity, you risk a permanent ban from the game, which means losing your invested time and money. It's crucial to consider this potential consequence before proceeding with any purchase. The developer of Genshin Impact, HoYoverse, is pretty strict about account management. They explicitly prohibit the buying, selling, or sharing of accounts. If they detect suspicious activity, such as account transfers through things like IP address changes or other mechanisms, they can step in and ban the account. This policy protects the game's integrity and ensures fairness for all players. That's why it's wise to enjoy the game within the boundaries set by HoYoverse. Let's also talk about seller scams, which are another big risk. Even if you manage to buy an account and successfully transfer it, the original owner still holds power.